What's up, guys? Luxide here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Surely you have all heard of The Wolf of Wall Street, right? If not the guy himself, at least the movie. So you kind of have a premise of, what we're going to get into here. And I think this is very important to note. Now, before we go ahead and get into it, if you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, show your support for the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Tons of content coming your way. And, you may just be able to take something positive away. So Jordan Belfort, aka the Wolf of Wall Street, thinks Bitcoin's value will grow. Now, if you're not familiar with Jordan Belfort or the Wolf of Wall Street, okay, he is a big player, okay, in investing extraordinaire. Okay, obviously he's done some not so great things in his past too, but at least made for a great movie, right? so he has not been a huge supporter of cryptocurrency. Okay. So he had always thought that, crypto was a scam, that it was not worth investing in. It was going to zero. Okay. Well, now Jordan Belfort is changing his tune. He actually believes the value of Bitcoin in the 3 to 5 year time frame is going to grow by a lot. He said, with a 3 to 5 year horizon, I would be very surprised if you didn't make any gains on Bitcoin because the fundamentals are really strong. There is no real institutional investors yet. For example, there are no school teacher pension funds using it. To cover ourselves, we are not there yet. Okay. What he also goes on to say too is that there are 8 billion people in the world and only 21 million Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin has a finite number. Okay. It's got a capped supply. And what that means is obviously as there's more and more people that get into, investing in cryptocurrency. And if the demand is there, obviously for Bitcoin, it's scarcer and scarcer. It's harder for people to acquire it, which means supply and demand. People, the price goes up. Okay. Now, obviously this is not, investment advice or anything like that. I just want to show you guys and highlight the fact that it's okay to change your mind. Okay. If you haven't been in crypto before or always thought, crypto was a scam or it was going to zero, it's happened. All right. It happens to the best of us. Okay. It is okay to be wrong and admit that you were wrong. Okay. If something, changes in your mind, you're like, oh my gosh, I was wrong. Okay. What makes more sense? Does it make more sense that you take advantage of the knowledge you now have, or is it more important for you to, convince yourself that you were right, even though you may have been wrong? Okay. Just want to obviously throw that out there. Okay. Pride is a very big thing to a lot of people. Okay. To all of us really, right? Our pride is very important to us. Okay. But one of the most prideful things you can do is admit you were wrong when you were wrong. Okay. And that's what Jordan Belfort has done. He admitted that he was wrong. Okay. And sorry, my dog barked. He admitted that he was wrong. And he has owned that, okay? And now he's able to move forward and, prepare for the future. And that is obviously something that you can do yourself. So now I appreciate you guys stopping out and watching the video. If you haven't already, again, please feel free to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime our content is live here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Got tons of content coming your way. Videos, shorts, live streams, all sorts of stuff. Tons of great knowledge for you to take away. And hopefully it gives you a better insight into all things crypto. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping out and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.